Hello everybody. Today we will discuss this union set and intersection set. What is union set? Union set. In set theory, the union, denoted by capital U, of a collection of sets is a set of all elements in the collection. Actually, union set is a collection of all sets. Then, intersection set. The intersection of two or more given sets is the set of elements that are common to each of the given sets. The intersection of sets is denoted by the symbol this one. We can easily say this union set is a collection of all sets and intersection set means common one. Now let's go on example. Let A be two sets this one is a common area of A and B sets. Now let A's element 1 to 3 and B's element 2, 3, 4. Now their union will be A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Total elements will be union. So this A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And now A and B sets their common area, this region. This is a common region. This region is called intersection part. This one intersection of A and B. This is also common region. This one A intersect B. If A element 1, 2, 3 and B's element 2, 3, 4. There are common elements here 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3 here common elements. Now we can say intersect B equal to 2 and 3. Thank you.